sweet pastry fix. Always available naman ang ensaymada. At ang ensaymadang nilagyan ng queso de bola, mas nilevel up pa ng baker na si Mela.
Kasi yung family ko, mahilig kaming kumain, like magluto and everything. So pag Pasko talaga, gathering talaga yan ng family namin. Talagang nagdadala kami ng pagkain sa bahay ng lola namin, ng lolo-lola namin. Doon kami magkakainan, potluck. So lumaki talaga kami ng nagluluto.
Okay, please show me the way, Mela. We have 3 different fillings po ba sa special ensaymada mo?
Salted egg, ube makapuno, and hamon de Pasko.
Uy.
Which is Christmas glazed ham.
Okay.
Start with the buttercream.
Okay. It's the deadliest for me, but kailangan pag gumagawa ka ng ensaymada, yan yung non-negotiable, no?
Yes, the buttercream.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Queso de bola. The salted egg with filling pa.
Looks like a legit commissary business type with your big oven.
Started as hobby lang yung baking for me, and then I decided why not make it a business na lang.
During the pandemic ba nag-start to?
Way before, 2017. I started 2017.
Oh, okay.
So I decided na baka pwede pagkakitaan. So ginawa tong third floor as my bakery na lang.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Subukan ko muna ang savory.
Yeah.
Right. Yes.
Tastes like Christmas. Dahil nga, biglang lumalabas ka agad yung mga memories na kapag kumain ka ng hamon, na may pandesal, at may queso de bola, Christmas party sa auntie ko, every year. So, I think, kung hinahabol nyo nga yung ganong flavor, tapos nun yung tinapay ay masarap na malambot, makakahanap niya yung mundo. Nice. Good job. Buttercream is always good. Combo ng ube talaga.
Yan, makapuno. There you go.
Ay.
For the ensaymada, way before, I already have flavors like ube makapuno, honey calamansi, and the salted egg. That was the first 3 flavors. For the Christmas, I only thought of the hamon de Pasko. Then combined it with the 2 flavors of ube makapuno and salted egg, which is the Christmas trio now. So yun, nag-evolve lang siya yung flavors, and I also have other pang flavors. Like all in all, I have like 7 to 8 flavors of ensaymada.
Did you do these different special ensaymadas because Christmas is very special to you?
Yeah, kasi as a family, we like to eat.
Okay. Hindi naman masyado naman ito.
We like to eat, like everyone marunong talaga sa amin magluto.
Okay.
So, that's like a suggestion of a cousin, why not make ensaymada or for your business, since our family is fond of eating.
Okay. So, for sure, simula ng 2017, staple na rin yan sa...
Yan talaga dinadala ko tuwing Christmas gathering.
Ang pagkain pamasko, nakakabusog ng sikmura, nakapagpainit din ng puso. Meron dalang kakaibang ginawa na para ka nang nasa tahanan kasama ang iyong pamilya.
Parang kanina pa tayo tumitikim ng iba't ibang klaseng pagkain na Pasko ang food. Why not pagsama-samahin na natin?
Kung kanina, tinikman natin ang mga fully loaded pamaskong ensaymada na gawa ni Mela. Ngayon, ipapakilala niya tayo sa kanyang ultimate pamaskong cake.
So I guess it was just a matter of time na nagising ka at naisip mo, ano kaya? Haluin ko na lahat. Ganun ba
Gawin
yun?
na sa isang cake.
Gawin na sa isang cake?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, we'll start with the
Buttercream.
buttercream again.
Okay.
And after that, this is the topping ng puto bongbong.
Latik. Ever since before, kala ko hindi latik yan eh. Kala ko talaga parang giniling na pork.
Then, muscovado. And then, queso de bola again.
Gets. Rounded.
The desiccated coconut and muscovado. So, ito talaga bestseller sa akin pag Pasko.
Pag Pasko.
Alright.
Ano namang klaseng cake ito?
The ultimate pamaskong cake is, first layer is the ube, which is the puto bongbong. Then, the leche flan. And then, the bibingka cake with salted egg. And then, the toppings of the puto bongbong, which is the latik, the muscovado, and queso de bola. Then, another layer of ube. Then, pure makapuno. Then, lastly, the layer of the bibingka, covered with ube frosting.
Yep. Pretty much, it tastes like what you think it would taste. Because nga, of the combination and the collaboration of all Christmassy. Yun, ganun pa rin eh. Parang, kung anong inisip mong lasa niyan, ganun talaga. It's very predictable. Pag hinahanap mo yung, I guess, gusto mong kainin Christmas morning, nasa kain na nila lahat.
It's like attending simbang gabi.
Correct.
Simbang gabi, anytime of the day. Leche flan.
Thank you so much.